Hey everyone, this is Mara. I'm just doing a really quick update because there's not much to update, but I thought it was probably time to do an update. So I went to the doctor last Wednesday and had another cervical check, and everything was fine. So that was 18 weeks and 3 days. So everything was fine. My cervix even grew, so I think it was 3.6 the prior cervical check, and this time it was 4.6. So it grew a whole centimeter, which is wonderful. Cannot ask for anything more. So that went good. Today I went and had my OB appointment, and my OB doesn't really do much because my maternal fetal specialist is doing scans. So really she just checks the heartbeat, which we had one, everything's good there, and then asks, if we have any questions or anything like that. So in that appointment's good because if I have any issues or if I'm feeling symptoms of something, all of that has to go through my OB, not through my maternal fetal specialist. So it's good I have both appointments. And I only see the OB once a month at this moment, where I see the maternal fetal every 2 weeks to do that cervical check. So my next one is coming up this coming Wednesday, and I am currently, as I speak, 19 weeks and 5 days. We lost Siobhan at 20 weeks, and we knew at 3 days she was going to be gone, but she was actually born on the 4th day, 20 weeks and 4 days. So we're nervous because we're in that area. We're right in that area where we lost Siobhan, but my cervical length was great when I went last, and I'm honestly not expecting much of an issue when we go in this upcoming Wednesday. That being said, everything's going so well that I really have nothing to worry about, yet I'm still worried about everything. Just can't not be. So maybe I'm less worried about incompetent cervix, but more worried about any and other reason anyone could ever lose a baby. These are things I worry about that keep me up at night. So, but otherwise I'm fine. There's no issues. I haven't had anything happen at all. I've been feeling really good. Hardly any pressure or anything on my cerclage. Some ladies complain of pressure on their tack, and knock on wood, right now I don't feel anything. I feel great. I get tired very easily, but I'm not doing a lot. I'm not very active. I'm just really taking it very, very easy. Not doing much of anything. Symptoms, my nausea has kind of went away, thankfully. It was pretty rough, and I could barely get through most meals. So my nausea has gone away almost completely. I still have a few moments. I'm not sleeping so good, but I can't tell if that's anxiety or just pregnancy, not sleeping very good. I know sometimes I'm a little uncomfortable, so that can keep someone up at night. That's about it. I guess the only other symptom I'm having is bad acne. So you can see all these spots. It's very abnormal for me. In general, I usually don't get acne at all. Even when, and I don't get periods very often, but even when I did, I never really got a flare up on my skin. So I've been getting acne pretty bad, and my skin's really oily. It was before I got pregnant, and now it's like super slick oily. So I'm just trying to keep it clean. On some of these bigger spots, I've been putting benzoyl peroxide, I believe, on it, to try to help it out and maybe clear it up a little. But in general, they're big and they're painful, and I'm dealing with it the best I can. I feel like a teenager, like when I was having to cover up zits all the time. It's been about 20 some odd years since I've had to do this. So, and with the twins, I remember a couple spots of acne, but this seems to be awful because I had one here and it's gone now. It's cleared up, and there was one here. It's cleared up. But these are the ones I'm dealing with now. So I've got 1, 2, 3, and this one, which is quite small compared to what it looked like a few days ago. Acne, so that's probably the big one. I'm not eating very much because in general, I just don't feel hungry for a lot. And my husband said, well, maybe you're just running out of room in your belly. And I said, that's very possible. So So my belly is getting a little bit bigger. I might try to show you a little belly shot. That's about it. Yeah, like I said, I wasn't going to do anything too crazy. Like I said, we're in that danger zone where we lost Siobhan last time, and we lost Ronan at 22 weeks, so that's in a couple weeks. But in general, I feel really good. I almost hate to say it, I feel really confident that everything's going really well, and that at the very least, we'll make it to 24 weeks, so I feel really good about that, and hopefully we can go all the way. I hope everybody's doing good. I know I've kind of been off of here for a while, but it's just because there really wasn't much to update. So, like I said, there's just not much going on, and that's good news. The no news is good news in my case. Hope everybody's doing well. Bye. I almost forgot my belly shot, so I did not forget, I swear. So, okay, my boobs are gigantic, by the way. They weren't small before, but they're not at all small anymore, so please ignore that. So, yep. I don't know if you can see the back of my shirt. There's my little boy sticking out. There's from the front, but in the front it probably doesn't look like much. So, there you go. Bye.